Experiencing no sound from your Pioneer Xumo TV? The most common culprits are eARC misconfigurations and incorrect audio settings. First, ensure your HDMI cable is securely connected to the eARC port on both your TV and receiver soundbar. Then, navigate to your Pioneer Xumo TV settings menu and verify that HDMI ARC or eARC is enabled as the audio output. If using ARC, confirm your receiver is set to the corresponding HDMI ARC input. If issues persist, try setting the audio output to PCM. PCM is a digital audio format and is essential for lossless audio transmission and may allow sound when eARC is not functioning correctly. Make sure to use an HDMI 2.0 or higher certified cable to avoid signal degradation. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, confirm that your receiver supports eARC and is running the latest firmware. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues. Check for Pioneer Xumo TV firmware updates via the TV's settings menu. Pioneer released firmware v3.2 in early 2025 to enhance eARC support for Dolby Atmos and DTS:X pass-through. Ensure HDMI handshaking is successful by power cycling both the TV and receiver. If problems persist, try a factory reset on the TV and receiver. As a last resort, consider testing with a different HDMI cable or consulting Pioneer support, although 90% of sound issues are fixable with settings adjustments.